Hello, good morning, viewers. Let us know about the crisis at Life of Cinema, productions, directions, longevity. We all know about cinema is one of the best entertainers. People they like different types of cinemas. Some of those they like love related. Some of those they like horror. Some of those they like sentiment related. Some of those they like message oriented stories. Now, at this present situation, due to this COVID 19 pandemic, this crisis has brought many changes in this longevity of cinema. People, those they depended on this cinema, those they are working, junior artists mainly, if they do that their work daily basis, it is like daily wage workers. They just go and take some part in different movies, and after completion of that, they get their penny. They are depending on that how. Uh, okay, I'm not going to say about how the labor. Uh, Here it is in the sense junior artists they are doing their part in different movies. That is nothing but their daily livelihood. As the recent times, from past 2 to 3 months onwards, uh, due to this pandemic, COVID 19, each and everything stopped. No one is moving from one place to other place. Even people are suffering a lot. The people, those they are depending on this industry, that means cinema. uh, Many of those people, those they are stars, those they are celebrities, they came forward to help for that junior artists. They came forward to uh, provide something, whatever those requirements they want in their livelihood. Okay, of course, if this is going to continue furtherly, what about the life of cinema? Okay, if cinema is there, if shootings are taking place continuously, the people, those they depend on that, they are going to get it their livelihood. It is nothing but from top stars, top celebrities to the bottom section. Whoever those doing artists, junior artists, each and everyone, each and every person, they are getting life depending on this. But all of a sudden, this COVID 19 has brought many changes. Many stores they came forward and they helped, they started. For example, in Tollywood industry also, on the name of this crisis, okay, whichever crisis is there, and this crisis, some of the stars they started crisis charity, and they came forward and they helped the people, those they are mainly depending on this industry, cinema industry. Few days ago, some of the stars, those they went and first cinematography ministry of Telangana, and some of those great stars, they met along with Chiranjeevi, and they just said it, whatever those problems they are facing, and production costs, and whatever those onsets these are going to taking place, what are those difficulties they are facing, even if it is not going to start, still how they are going to face the difficulties, each and everything is explained. And after that, sim of Telangana, KC has also said about once this pandemic COVID 19 is going to come down, then they want to give that permissions slowly, with that permitted people, those they are working under this cinema industry. Okay, that is a good move, but whereas the movies, those they are already completed, those they are going to release in theaters, due to this one, the cost production which is going to increase, and even while the people those they brought money to direct movies, that interest rate is also increasing day by day. It is nothing but it's a very hectic, and the people those they are okay, mainly going to show some path, right direction. They are planning in different ways to release the movies. Those movies are almost completed. They are just thinking that whether they are going to release that online, with the ways of it is nothing like OTT. OTT means it is the platform which is going to uh, release that recent completed movies over the top. Okay, of course, which is going to connected with the help of internet, and those they are willing to watch those movies, those they are going to complete, which is going to take part a very difficult task, and whichever that money they put it in that movies, whether they are going to get that the same amount, or whether they are going to lose that amount, no one knows about. So this is a very difficult task for each and every person, even from the top, whoever those they are earning, they are getting good remunerations, and those they are bottom section. Okay, that is nothing but the people those they have depended, okay, only on this particular livelihood. We cannot say this when the circumstances are going to change, when it is going to come down. But really it's a very difficult task for each and every person, mainly for that ordinary people also. They are feeling a lot how they can come over this problem of this COVID-19. If the situation is continued, how the film industry is going to feel easy. Okay, of course, they are going to wasting that money, wasting in that sense, they almost put lakhs and crores of rupees. But after this, when we check it, before COVID-19 and after COVID-19, many changes are going to come into this film industry. Okay, the cost cutting is going to reduce most probably, and even while remunerations are so going to cut down, and the people those they are acting, for them also going to come down. But it is not good for their point, that they are putting a lot of effort to create a very good movie, to entertain that audience. Okay, a lot of burden, a lot of task they are going to put it beyond. Whichever they do, they are doing for a very good cause. Of course, whatever that business, whatever that they are going to earn, that is secondary. But when it comes to, okay, that is one of the sources, one of the channels where people are going to get entertainment. People are going to, okay, put their sorrows and sads and disappointments little back. Okay, they just go and enjoy 2 to 3 hours of movies, and they feel a lot better. Okay, here we are not going to differentiate anything. Okay, whichever those things are there, they just trying their level best to come as a family. Okay, that is a very good aspect. Whatever those things are there behind them, it is not good for this time. Okay, of course they are also going to do in the same way to overcome what can be done in a good way to save the life of cinema. Because from over the decades and over the years, cinema has given life, the people those they are continuously working 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, more than 30 years also. And those they talented and skillful, those they came in the recent times into this industry, they are also just proving themselves what can be done better than the past. Okay, of course, like some of the other fields, it's like engineering, doctor, and whichever other departments, whichever other careers or professionals are there. This is also one type of profession. This is one type of great thing. Okay, they are just entertaining and they are getting for their livelihood. Okay, which is not going to disrespect, which is not going to reduce that value of others. It is one type of source where people are going to entertain, and some of those movies really we must appreciate, we prize them. They are going to bring a very good message in the society. What it is wrong, it is happening in the society, what can be done for that society. And even if any of that problem is there in the society, they are coming forward and they are going to helping for that poor and needy. So that is a very good aspect. Okay, for this particular situation, whatever that situation is, crisis at okay, life of cinema, productions, creations, longevity. Okay, it is the responsibility of that people, those they got settled, and along with that, whoever those in a very good position, those are related to cinematography department related, those are going to come under in that. This is nothing but government related. Whoever they are going to come, definitely they can sort out and they can give a very good solution in that coming days. Okay, whatever we do, whatever we think, okay, but when it comes to that reality, okay, we cannot give it a very good solution immediately. But it is that a matter of we need to check it, different solutions, what will be the solution, we can take it. Maybe there is no alternative for 1 or 2 months. Okay, maybe they must get ready to release online, even with different resources like mobile phones and even while televisions. And we need to put it some amount, that is nothing but OTT, whichever that source is there. Okay, if they are going to get a very good profit, if they are going to overcome that whatever that business they did for that movie production, then it will be well and good. If they are going to get that less amount, if it is not bearable for that to pay the people, those they are going to work under that industry. Okay, which is nothing but just a hero, a heroine, a villain, or a director, a producer, and a music director, like that. Many families are depending under that. Okay, whoever they do that work, at least they have to get that satisfaction. If there is no satisfaction, if there is no life, okay, definitely they think a lot that there is no use. But hopeful that that situation doesn't come for this cine industry. Okay, this are going to overcome, and even while the situation is going to change. Okay, and each and every person, those again, they go how they enjoyed. Okay, before this COVID-19, went to theaters and enjoyed a lot, and regular shootings are going to take place as usual. Okay, because we can pay for that better. Okay, even nothing is there in our hands. Hope each and everything will take place in a smooth and right manner with the help of the local governments. Okay, this is the time, this is the particular situation. Even we need to take each and everyone's and one another's okay, advice, suggestion, and we need to search for that a very good decision. Okay, which is not going to affecting and which is not going to trouble any of that person who is working under this platform. Hope within few days everything is going to come into a normal situation, and people they again they enjoy and they can take part in this entertainment channel. And the people those they are working under, really those are also feeling a lot better.